Welcome to Robins Resort. This is a brand new project here in Osage Beach. Excellent location and only 12 units are available. All 3-bedroom, 3-bath. You have a spectacular lake view. You've got protection for your docks. There's a wave break right inside. You're right here on the 1-mile marker of the Grand Glaize. The units here at Robins are all 3-bedroom, 3-bath, and they're all en suites. Perfect for family and for entertaining. You have a beautiful bathroom here that serves your guests, and then it walks through here to this guest bedroom. The design of this unit allows you to be easy living for either full-time or part-time living. I'm in love with the great room size. As you can see, we have an oversized sofa. This is actually a sleeper sofa. You have plenty of room for all your guests. It opens to your beautiful kitchen, and you've got a large dining area as well. You have a luxurious master suite here that leads out to the oversized deck, which is concrete. You will love the view. You've got an extra storage area, plus you can easily screen that deck if you'd like. We've got a beautiful walk-in tiled shower, double vanity sink, and an oversized walk-in closet. As I mentioned, this is the hottest, newest project here in Osage Beach. There's only 12 units available, and you're part of Robins Resort, which has been an icon here at the lake since the 1960s. You have 2 pools that are included, a boat ramp, and also trailer parking. You are 5 minutes from any amenity that you would like that the Lake of the Ozarks offers. For more information on this project, please call RE/MAX Lake of the Ozarks today.